So back again with the Yardman podcast. And who are we here with today?
Yes, Nico from Little Lion Sound.
Nice to meet you, Nico from Little Lion Sound. All right, Nico. How long have you been involved with reggae music, dancehall, all of these things?
So I started when I was 12. So yeah, it's been quite a journey.
Yeah, from a quite young age, yeah. And what sparked your interest about the music?
Well, first I started playing the tracks because, I was listening to songs and I started to work in a record shop. And then, boom, start to play the tracks then. And till I would say I was 20 and I started the label Evidence Music, which is now like one of the major label in Europe for reggae music.
Ah, nice one, nice one, nice one. I love it, I love it. Um, well, who would you say would be like your three top artists from Jamaica that you follow and listen to their music?
Like up-to-date artists.
From all times. Ones that you love, ones that pierce your heart, you feel the music and it give you a nice vibration.
Well, there is a lot, but I would say in the young generation, Isa definitely is a youth where I go have a great future. I would just say Jesse Royal, definitely rate him work. And yeah, out of that, well, a lot, man, a lot. No.
Nice to hear, nice to hear. And have you ever been to Jamaica?
Yeah, a couple of times. I try to go like twice a year.
Ah, yeah. What's one of the places that you go to when you go to Jamaica?
Well, I would say every time I go, it's mainly for studio work. So I stay in a Kingston. Yeah.
That's actually where I live. That's where I grew up in Kingston. Yeah.
Nice one, man.
Nice one. All right, so I'm going to sing some song lyrics, and I want you to complete these song lyrics. You ready?
Let's try.
All right. Here comes trouble.
Here comes the danger.
Sent by the Savior, welcome the
Star
Rasta
youth.
youth. I start recruit.
Peace and I see I.
Big up. Another one. Who knows?
Who knows?
I just go where the trade wind blows. Sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased
To be chilling in the West Indies.
Well, nice one, man. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, man. Every time. Respect every time. Yeah, man. On the Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast.